Do you want to understand real English conversations while talking about rainy days and weather?
Or maybe you want to speak English more naturally about seasons, umbrellas, and staying cozy at home.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about weather, rainy days, cold mornings, and relaxing at home.
You'll hear simple English expressions people use every day when talking about the weather.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Paul. How's the weather today?
Haha, perfect question.
Paul, do you like rainy days?
Honestly, yes.
Really?
Rainy days feel peaceful.
I agree.
I like listening to rain sounds at night.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I enjoy rainy days when I stay home,
Same.
but I don't enjoy getting wet outside.
One time I forgot my umbrella.
Oh no.
It started raining heavily.
Seriously?
Yes, I looked like I jumped into a swimming pool. My shoes were completely wet.
That sounds terrible.
Very terrible.
Do you usually check the weather before going outside?
Sometimes, but I forget.
Same, honestly.
What about everyone listening? Do you enjoy rainy days?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Probably cold weather.
Really?
Yes, I love wearing hoodies and drinking hot coffee.
That sounds cozy.
What about you?
I prefer warm weather.
Why?
Cold mornings are impossible for me.
Same sometimes.
One winter morning, I didn't want to leave my blanket.
Very relatable.
I stayed in bed for 30 more minutes. Do you enjoy summer?
Sometimes.
What don't you like about summer?
Very hot afternoons.
True.
One time my ice cream melted in 2 minutes.
No way.
Seriously.
That's a sad story. Do you use air conditioning often?
During hot weather, yes.
Same.
What about everyone listening? Hot weather or cold weather?
Tell us in the comments.
What do you usually do on rainy days?
I stay home and watch movies.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I make hot noodles too.
Perfect rainy day food.
What about you?
I enjoy reading books and drinking tea.
Very peaceful.
Rainy weather makes me sleepy.
Same, honestly.
One time I slept all afternoon because of the rain.
Seriously?
Yes, it was the best nap ever.
That sounds amazing.
Do you enjoy walking in the rain?
Only light rain.
Same.
Heavy rain is dangerous.
Definitely.
One time I stepped into a huge puddle.
Oh no.
My socks were wet the whole day.
Poor Paul.
Worst feeling ever.
What about everyone listening? What do you do during rainy days?
Movies, sleeping, music, hot coffee?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.